Hey, what's up, y'all? It's Darius from DariusCooks.tv, and I got a brand spanking new keto cocktail, frozen, that I think you're going to love. We did it the other night on live. If you don't watch my live streams, I don't know why, because they are epic. So I figured I'll bring it to you today in an official tutorial. So we're gonna start by adding in some organic lime juice. We're gonna add in some sucra drops. That way we get the sweetness that we need. And then a little bit of Hennessy. I'm using Hennessy Black and Hennessy White for a little interracial situation, right? Let's give it a blend. And this is now your new frozen Hennessy margarita, okay? Talk about frozen, look at that, huh? There's your new cocktail right there. Give that a try. Winter, spring, summer, or fall. Here we go. Now, why don't we make the butter for our crab legs, all right? We'll start by putting the skillet on, and then we're gonna add a stick of butter. Let that butter melt down. While that butter is melting, we're just gonna come in here and slice up some garlic. And we're gonna put the sliced garlic in with the butter. And then we'll season this up. A little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper. And I'm gonna throw in the juice of a lemon. All right, now while that's coming together, getting nice and juicy, I got some boiling water over here. All the boiling water needs is a little bit of Old Bay. Well, a lot of Old Bay. Into the Old Bay with the water and stuff. We've got our crab legs. Pound and a half, as many as you want. All right, right into the seasoned water. Now, for our butter, two more simple ingredients. The first is obviously a little bit of Hennessy, right? And we'll light that on fire. And then we'll add in some either like dried chives or dried parsley, whatever you got. Dried chives in this case. And that's it. All right, so this is how we're going to do this. This is our lovely Hennessy garlic butter that we're gonna dip our crab legs in. And then I have the lovely crab legs that have been cooking in all of this deliciousness. We'll grab those and put those right on the board. Huh? All right, let's get in here with these crab legs. Let's grab the meat out the middle. We'll do a little dip in that Hennessy garlic butter. Okay, here we go. Oh my God. I wish y'all knew how good these taste. The bite of the Hennessy, the brightness of the lemon in here is so good that I gotta eat another one, hold on. It's so good in here that you will be eating these over and over and over again. Oh my God. Listen, you gotta give it a try. Recipes like this, you know what they're gonna be on the website, DariusCooks.tv. There's two things I wanna tell you, as I always do. Listen, food is my life. Life, it is my food. Until next time, I gotta wish you a happy cooking. From my heart to yours. Bye, y'all.